62 wide.
Why do you think it came out firm?
Well, just because of the core thickness, we can adjust that.
Manny, you ready?
I did order the food, yeah.
That's fine, that's fine. That's a lot.
Well, I don't know. You gave me a full bucket.
Well, we got glass to go through and stuff. I'll pick it up.
Resin on that puppy.
Huh?
Yeah, it was a little flat.
Do I go to the perimeter? To the perimeter?
Yep,
to the perimeter.
Yeah.
What do I do with all the excess resin?
I'll pick it up because we got to use that for the glass.
Yeah, it doesn't saturate at all.
Yeah, not at all.
By the way, you only have 5 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Plenty of time.
And what do those do?
These are for dampening, more for bonding and stuff. Better bond to the steel and dampening here. So everything just lines onto the pins. Really epic, man. After years of cap construction and stuff, got rid of all the rails and all that bullshit. Now you can just do the same thing, but just don't have to put as much on there.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, not yet, it's probably not too dark yet. Okay. Well, you should. I know. I'm not going to do it. Heck yeah.
I'll let you guys do it tonight.
What?
I'll let you do it
Tonight?
Yeah.
The epoxy is similar to this. It's 30 minutes or so, but the polyester is like 7, 8 minutes.
Yeah. This spotlight's
20 minutes.
I don't like that. I think the quicker you get.
It's a rocket for next year. Like that one.
Just the regular rocket, 157.
Yeah, but it's updated. We put a little more nose area in it, and it lengthened the camber, give a little more pop off the back foot, a little more lift off the front. Yeah. Little subtle updates.
This is your favorite board?
Yeah, pretty much. Depends. All around, yeah.
Your dream board?
My dream board. Dream of Genie. I didn't see it.
Oh, there's plastic over the top of it.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And it goes in the notch right here?
And you just kind of square it over the pins. Yeah, no. Get it on top of it. We're going to pop these pins around it. No. I think we got them pre-hot, so it's no temperature.
How many of these things do you have?
Presses?
Yeah.
12 out there? 11 plus the ski press, so yeah, 12.
Yeah, it's pretty firm.
You think it's firm?
It's a little
It'll
firm.
break in a little bit. It's firm for me.
Yeah. I'm going to go home and get. What do you want to do here? Oh, quick. I got it back. We had it, but he never died. He helped me with the dressing room. He was so late, scared me myself. They were like, go. They took him to the back alley where they did. They're like, it's like a DIY magnet powered bend, 3-man steel with the mag traction. The trick is put your finger in this. You guys saw my
gotta go. Call me back.
I'll be the crazy guy on a red skimboard.
Check the edge sharpness, check about 25 different things. On the bags.
What's up today?
Like I can't
It's
even
just,
wrap my
you know what
head.
it is? So that was 20, so it makes this one like small, huh? Isn't that funny?
This thing, I don't even know what you would do.
I know, I can still big, and he remembers it too, but it was neutral.
Like the proper.
I would just build, or I had a Ben Lexon from Australia.
Yeah.
Right? They'll have the problem of outgassing. So yeah, the outgassing
Blew the whole bottom off.
blew the bottom off, but it was good. So this is, you'll see this, they said nowadays they wouldn't even let them get a permit to build this chairlift.
All of the lettering and stuff.
Yeah, I love how the lettering, you know, straddling, yeah, so they pair you up and you might not know somebody who had to straddle.
Go like that.
Yeah.
Go like that, yeah. Yeah, you got people in between your legs.
Today. Yeah, the one that paints boards.
What's that?
The one that paints boards.
Oh, right.
And I landed in Pasa's hole in the air. I was like, yeah, I was like all excited. I looked, there's a hole, and there's no, in the air you cannot change your direction. I landed right in the hole, remember? I was sunk like this deep, huh? Man, you missed my airs.
I'm getting them next. Oh, temple.
Yeah, it is. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, Petey.